Okay, today we are visiting the All-Star Sports. This particular resort is the most economic of all the Disney World resorts. It is the least expensive one. I'm out here in the front where it says All-Star Sports, of course. And this is also where you would catch your buses to get to Magic Kingdom, Disney Springs, Typhoon Lagoon, Animal Kingdom, Blizzard Beach, Epcot, wherever you want to go. So we will travel in here through the main entrance here. And here we go. This is a look at the All-Star Sports Resort. Good morning.
Good morning, welcome.
Here we have the Sport Goofy Gifts and Sundries. Your typical gift shop there. It's cute. Now this resort obviously is all sport themed. Oh, we're gonna capture Daisy. Looks like we have Chip and Dale here. Very cute. Very, very cute. Daisy's on her way. How are you today? Let's do it. Nothing can stop us now. Nothing can stop us now. Very cute. There is your check-in. That's actually the main entrance over there in the little lobby area. And then we will go down here, down the hallway. Another look at Daisy. Oh. Over here to our right, we have the arcade. I find that there's never much activity in these arcades, but there's a lot. It's pretty large. Gives your kids something to do after a day at the park. Here we have our in-zone food court. Here. Most of these food courts are the same and they serve typically the same things. Here's a look at the menu board. The marketplace. Over there in the market is where you can grab things after hours. They usually have drinks and some quick snacks like yogurt maybe and boxed sandwiches.
What else is down there, Mike?
Okay, we're gonna come out here. Oh, we've got another star here. Either Chip or Dale. Okay, and then we're gonna come out here to the main pool. Here they have the pour board where you can get drinks. Walk up when you're spending some time at the pool. This particular section is called Surf's Up and it's the main pool area. As you can see, it is surfboard themed, swimming themed. Oh, it's a pretty big pool, it's nice. And then we're just gonna take a quick look around the resort. If we go to this section, obviously, will be the football section. They have a nice food court patio section out here too. I will show you some of the different areas of the resort. I'm not going to walk the whole thing because number one, it would be a really long video, but also I don't want to put in 10,000 steps at just the All-Star Sports Resort today. But if you look down there, that is the basketball resort, you can see. And one thing that the All-Stars are known for is their larger than life props. So as you can see, we're going to walk over here into the football section. You can see this enormous football. Here's the big, where we're ending the Surf's Up section. They have a big lifeguard, or the lifeguard, what are those things called? Oh my gosh. I don't know words today. But that big thing that saves you when you fall in the water. There's the football. The football section is actually pretty cool. It's actually called Touchdown. So here's a little guide. Stadium Hall is where we just came from. They have the Home Run Hotel and Touchdown. So we have baseball and football down this way. And then here we have Center Court and Surf's Up on that section. We will just take a quick look. I think I'm just going to do football and baseball since they're right here. But again, there is a basketball section if you or your children are interested in staying in the basketball section. It'll be the same. These are all typically at the All-Stars. They're typically the same in each section. Like for example, this is Touchdown on the football section, and it's usually 4 buildings. Here they have pennants up there, the 10, 20, 30, 40 yard line. And then what they do is they'll do building here, here, there, and there. So they'll have 4 buildings. This one is set up like a big football stadium. And then usually in between the 2 buildings from all those All-Stars that we've visited, they'll have the main, I guess, focal point. And so here you can see it is these gigantic football helmets. And then if you go through that section, that's where you'll find your elevators to go up to floors 2 and 3, and ice machines, vending machines, that type of thing. So here we have a football field. Of course, Mickey is right here at the 50-yard line. And here, big football helmet. And again, right across, another one. So we have a red one and an orange one, I guess. And that'll about do it for the football section. Again, you saw a little bit of the Surf's Up section because it's right there by the main lobby. I'm just not going to walk over to the basketball section. Next up, we have baseball, which is also really cute. You can see that huge Coca-Cola cup with that enormous straw. It's actually pretty cool. The one thing about All-Stars, I mentioned it earlier, is they have these humongous props. The All-Star hotels are really nice for a money saver for your family, especially if you're going to spending the majority of your time in the Disney parks, and you're not going to spend so much time at your resort. This is a nice spot to just come look at these huge props, swim in the evenings, and not spend an obscene amount of money on a hotel or a resort that you're not going to spend the majority of your time at. Also, I just want to make a note of these bleachers that they have here for the football field. Pretty cute. Okay, next up. Oh, and the football, I want to mention this too, the football stadium is kind of in between the Surf's Up area and the baseball. So you can choose the pool that you would like to, the main pool, or there is a pool here in the baseball section. I am assuming that there's also one in basketball. Like I said, I'm not going to go over there, so I'm not 1,000% sure. But here they have a bunch of Louisville Sluggers up against, and giant balls on the balconies of the hotel. And then they have the Home Run Hotel scoreboard. Very cute. And that is probably where you go in for your elevator, vending machines, that type of thing. Here's a pool. Looks like we've got Goofy out there as the center fountain. Good morning. Good, how are you?
Good, enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Weather.
It is beautiful. Hi.
Fills up tomorrow.
They've got stadium seating here. And then that looks like that about sums it up for the baseball stadium. I love that giant Coca-Cola. It's so cute. And the pool. This one obviously is not as big, so it's more private area. Probably won't have as many kids. And then from there, you go back to the touchdown. I'll show you a sign here. They have Celebrity Hall, Stadium Hall, Touchdown. And then, of course, after here, you're gonna go straight up to the Surf's Up section again. And then to the left is basketball. I don't think I saw anything to the right, but I'll double check when I get up closer. Okay, I am back up near the main lobby. They have life-size chess here for your kids to play with. That's cute. Again, I already showed you the patio area, but I thought I would show you this main area again. I don't know if I was very thorough on it. Again, down this way is the basketball section. I am sure that it's a giant hoop, gigantic basketballs, typical decor of the rest of it. Again, this is the Surf's Up area where the main pool is. And I just want to show you these surfboards. Colorful, so neat. And of course, every resort is filled with the Florida palm trees. And there are plenty of seats available at the main pool, which is always a plus. Looks like you got some people throwing their beach ball out there. Plenty of umbrellas, keep the sun off of you, which is nice. They have the Surf's Up bathhouse over there. Looks like here in the center, here and over here, they have a big shark fin. So that's pretty cool for the main pool. And then I'm not sure what these people are, but they've got the Mickey gloves. They've just pushing around their boombox there, right here next to the grandstand spirits. I guess bringing a little Disney joy. All right, and I think that'll about sum it up for the All-Star Sports Resort. Thanks for